Cellular respiration is a catabolic process that releases energy by breaking bonds in glucose. It uses the energy to form ATP, a small molecule that stores just the right energy for cells to use. Photosynthesis is an anabolic process as it forms substances like glucose and water in the presence of sunlight and carbon dioxide, also with water. Anabolism requires energy to grow and build, just for it to combine and take in sunlight while combining carbon dioxide and water, of course. Catabolism uses energy to break down. These metabolic processes work together in all living organisms to do things like produce energy and repair cells. In this image here, it shows the interrelationship between processes. So it shows cellular respiration and photosynthesis. It shows how photosynthesis puts in the chemical energy of oxygen and glucose, while cellular respiration uses carbon dioxide and water to then go in a process to use the light energy for the photosynthesis, and then it creates chemical energy from cellular respiration.